In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kit for email marketing. The goal here is to create a simple landing page that collects new subscribers, confirms them automatically, and then gives you a shareable link you can post anywhere. Start by logging into your Kit account and looking at the main navigation. Go to the Grow section, then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This area is where you build the pages and forms that people will use to join your email list. Once you are on the Landing Pages and Forms screen, click Create New, and then select Landing Page. Kit will show you a library of templates. These templates control the design and layout, but you can pick any one that fits your brand and message. Choose a template you like, such as a clean, simple option, and then click Choose to continue. At this point, Kit will create the landing page based on that template so you can configure it. Next, go to Settings in the top right corner of the page editor. In the Settings menu, find and open the Incentives section. This is an important area because it controls how Kit handles new subscribers after they sign up. For many marketing campaigns, you will want people to be added to your list immediately without an extra confirmation step. To do that, check the option labeled Auto Confirm New Subscribers. This helps reduce friction so more people successfully join your email list. After you enable auto confirmation, click Save. Then, still in the top right area, click Publish. Saving keeps your settings, and publishing makes the landing page live so it can be accessed by others. Once the page is published, Kit will provide a URL for your new landing page. Copy that URL carefully. This link is what you will share in places like your social media bio, a video description, a blog post, or anywhere you want to invite people to subscribe. As a quick tip, always test the link after copying it by opening it in a private or incognito browser window, just to make sure it loads correctly and the signup works as expected. Now you have a published Kit landing page with auto-confirm enabled and a shareable link ready to drive email signups. That covers everything you need to know.